Hello, today I am going to show you how to set up your paper in MLA format using Pages on the iPad. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to find the app. It is orange with a pin on the inside. So select that, and then you're going to select Create Document with the plus sign. The next thing that you're going to select is the blank portrait, and that gives you a blank working space. So the very first thing that I like to do when I am setting up a paper is I like to make sure that my entire paper is Times New Roman 12-point font so I don't have to worry about it later. So the way to do that is you tap the paintbrush at the top, and here is your style menu, and you can change your font here. So the first menu, you can change it to 12-point font, and then you can search for Times New Roman. Select Text Options and Style, and that takes you back to the main menu. Select Layout and use the arrows to adjust the line spacing to 2. This gives you a Times New Roman 12-point font double-spaced essay. To get out of that menu, you can just tap the white space. So, to begin typing, you need to have your first and last name at the top. This is your first and last capitalized name. Press Return. And then you're going to put my name, Mrs. Biggs. Press Return. The next is your class line. So I'd like you to write either English or Advanced English, depending upon what class you're in. And your hour. Press Return. This line is going to be the date. The date needs to be spelled out with no abbreviations. So let's say this paper is due February 14th, 2015. Press Return, and the next line is going to be the title of your essay. On the menu between the keyboard and the workspace, next to the plus line, there is a tab that you can select that gives you the alignment option. Select Center and type a creative title here. This is your creative title. This isn't the words creative title here. Please don't use any bold, italicizing, or underlining, or any other special font selections, because I need you to show your personality through the words and not through what the text looks like. Press Return. Select the alignment again to align left. Press Tab, and you can begin typing your paper here. The last thing that you need to do is you need to put in a header for your paper. So select the wrench and then Document Setup. This will change the orientation of your iPad for just a moment, but it'll go back. Select where it says Tap to Edit Header, and then in the third column you can select page numbers. Select 1. Move your cursor to the other side of the 1 and type your last name here. This is just your last name and the page number. You need to actually select the Pages puts in the page number for you, otherwise it'll say last name 1 on every single one of your pages, and this needs to give you a running page number, so it needs to tell you that you're on page 2 or 3. Then you're going to select Done, and you are finished. After you finish typing your essay, you are good to go. This is what the top of your essay should look like. I will show you how to put in parenthetical citations and your works cited page in the next video. Good luck writing your essay.